Yeah, I got ODI grip, but shitty exposure braking, which is but awesome. I do not have a clue what radio is. Proper stem, McNeil top cap, McNeil Trailblazer forks, proper hubs, envy rims, Odyssey Path tyres, no kl40 frame, which is the small one, which is like 20.5 top tube or something. I don't know what it is. Bird seat, see I didn't say it wrong. Animal seat post. Bicycle Union calipers and no, not a make, screech pads. Odyssey trail mix pedals, which I got like yesterday. DK social cranks. And I don't know what sprocket is, don't know what chain. And a Harrow back wheel, which is until I get my new profile one. Yeah,
and
my
the
bike check.
And the tyre.
And it's another Odyssey Path tyre with cam wheels. Well done, Alex.
Lying in the grass, watching the stars come